Hello everybody, today I'm gonna make a video about Scratch, how the monster vehicle chases 11. Let's do it! We're on Scratch page. We tap the button create. We remove the cat because we don't need it. We come to backdrop, we come to upload backdrop. We choose the desert. Then we have to choose a sprite. We come to upload sprite and we choose 11. We put her here. She's so big, so we have to make her a little bit smaller. Do it like mine. Then we go again to upload sprite and then we choose the monster vehicle. You do it a little bit smaller because he is so big. You will do it like this. It will be less smaller. We're ready here. Let's write the program. First, we are starting with 11. From events, we pick when the flag is clicked. We put it here. And then from controls, we take forever. Then from motions, we take pointer's mouse pointer. We put it in forever. Then we take again for motion, move 10 steps, but we do it 2 steps. We put it in forever. We are ready with 11. Now we are doing the monster vehicle. For events, we take when the flag is clicked. We put it here. From controls, we take forever. From motions, we take pointer, mouse pointer, but we do it 11. Then from motion we take move 10 steps, but we do it 1 step. And we are ready. Then if you want to bigger our screen, press this button and it will look like this. If you want to start it, you click go and it will look like this. Run 11! Run 11! And if you want to stop it, you press the button stop and it will stop. If you want to be the screen like normal, we tap again here and it will be. And we do it the size like this. When we are ready, if you want to do another sprite, go again here, upload sprite, and we take Max. She's so big, so we have to make her a little bit little. We do her like this. It should look like this. Those images, Max, 11 and Vecna, are not available in Scratch. I will put them in the link of the bio. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos and for more Stranger Things. See you in the next video.